The case of Mark Anthony Nieto v. People. The story begins with Nieto and Falman Vicent being apprehended while transporting lumber. They were stopped by authorities for not having the proper documentation required by law, specifically under Presidential Decree No. 705, also known as the Revised Forestry Code. Both men claimed they were simply hired drivers, unaware that their cargo was illegal. This situation set the stage for a legal battle over whether their lack of knowledge could absolve them from liability. The case quickly drew attention because it raised important questions about the requirements for criminal conviction under special laws, especially those designed to protect the environment and regulate forest products. The heart of the case was the legal concept of malum prohibitum. The Supreme Court clarified that illegal possession of timber is considered malum prohibitum, which means that criminal intent or knowledge is not a necessary element for conviction. Unlike crimes that are inherently wrong, malum prohibitum offenses are punishable simply because the law prohibits them. However, the court emphasized that the prosecution still needs to prove animus possidendi, or the intent to possess the prohibited items. This intent can be inferred from the circumstances, such as control over the vehicle and the cargo, and the behavior of the accused during apprehension. The distinction between intent to possess and criminal intent became a crucial point in the court's analysis. Supreme Court ultimately affirmed the conviction of Nieto and Vicent. The court found that their control over the vehicle and the lumber, the absence of proper permits, and their conduct during the apprehension were enough to establish animus possidendi. The ruling reinforced the doctrine that possession of undocumented forest products is punishable, regardless of whether the accused claims ignorance. This decision serves as a strong reminder that under PD 705, the law prioritizes the protection of natural resources, and those found in possession of prohibited items cannot simply escape liability by denying knowledge. The case thus highlights the strict application of environmental laws and the importance of compliance with documentation requirements.